Hi, I'm Philippa, the Vitality Guru, and this is my story recounting my personal journey of discovery, healing, and recovery. Hard learned and fought through adversity. The long, painful, arduous process of breaking through the pain of internal scar tissue in order to walk normally again. On this journey, I will share how I discovered the awesome healing power of nutritional therapy, healthy living, and the alternatives. If you haven't yet, like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you get notified when new videos are released. Remember to check out my Vitality Challenge. See the link in the description below. In this 30-day video series, I will highlight various milestones on my path to healing, recovery, and the subsequent discovery of the power of our bodies to fuel recovery and healing. Every day, I'll share a specific milestone from along my journey to becoming the Vitality Guru, after dealing with challenges not from one, but two surgeries with complications. Trust that there is a path to recovery for you too, no matter the challenge you face.
You just got to get started, and you grow with each step.
So my question to you is, what are you waiting for? Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you get notified when new videos are released.